What's up guys, welcome back. On today's topic we're going to be talking about the top 5 electric motorcycles. Number 5, the Zero SRF, weighing up 220 kilograms, 220 mile range, 110 brake horsepower, about 1 hour charging time. It's not bad. And the price, £20,990. Number 4, the Energycar Eva Rebel, weighing up 295 kilograms, 249 mile range, 144 brake horsepower, about 30 to 40 minutes charging time. That's not bad, and costing you £18,757. That's not bad. Number 3, the Damien Hypersport Pro. That is a good looking bike, weighing up 200 kilograms. That's pretty light. 200 mile range, 197 brake horsepower. Now that's some power. Charging time about 20 to 40 minutes, and the price £18,757. That's not bad for that price. On to the second bike, the Harley Davidson Livewire, a bike that I really want to test ride. Ever since I watched The Long Way Up, that I've got to ride it. Weighing up 249 kilograms, 110 to 120 mile range, about 40 minutes of charging, 104 brake horsepower. It's not bad. And the price, £28,995. But for a bike that good, yeah. Now the final, number 1, the Triumph TE1. As soon as I heard about this bike, I was ecstatic for it. I was just amazed that Triumph finally brought out a Triumph electric motorbike. Now that looks a beast. Just pure power. One day, weighing up 220 kilograms, 120 mile range, 20 minutes of charging time. Yeah, and 174 brake horsepower. Now that's a bike I got to really test ride. Now they haven't released a price for it yet, so I'm going to average at least about 18,000 to 24,000. I'm so looking forward to test riding it. If you like this video, like and subscribe, look after yourself, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you for watching.